Yo, what is up, guys? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful, hold on, let me just adjust, there we go. Wonderful afternoon. It is currently, you can see, 12:23. I am currently in Bow. And let's just say, today's vlog is about to be crazy. As you can see, there's like a giant swimming pool behind me, but yeah. The massive swimming pool behind me. I'm in a, let's just say today's vlog is about to be mad. Yeah, I'm going to show you this property with my people, filming for a little promo video, something. But yeah, you guys shall see in a bit. Oof. Bliss. So yeah, let's just start. Currently in the garden-ish, like near the swimming pool. Let me show you. So we've got giant Buddha over here. She's just chilling. Here's the massive pool. Wow. Here's the swimming pool, guys. Here's the swimming pool. And look at this thing. Oh, don't try to fall. But yeah, look at this. This thing is cleaning the pool. Like, bruh. This is mad, but yeah. Anyway, more on this on the garden later. Let me show you guys inside because inside is actually crazy. Like, it is actually crazy. Alright, cool. So now we walk in. So we finished from the garden, from the pool. Now we've got this little Zen garden type, like, I don't know what to say about this house, but this house is absolutely amazing. Let me just show you guys what it looks like right now. Yeah, in 3. This house is I don't even know what to say. And there's 5 floors. 5 floors. So we start at the bottom. Lovely entrance. Lovely paintings. And yeah, let's move to like the living room sort of area. Oh, what we've got here? We've got one of the guys. So then, this room is amazing. Like, the decor, I'm using big boy words here, the decorations is immaculate, everything is immaculate, it's amazing. But yeah, let's show you the stuff it's got in this wonderful. these giant, I don't know if they're Japanese or Chinese, but they look nice. He's got another one over here, and he's got all this wood. Like, you notice there's gonna be a lot of wood in this house, which is like so amazing. We got Wi-Fi, can't forget that. And then boom, look who we have here. Hello mate, how you doing? That's the owner's dog. But yeah, and now let me show you this massive art piece behind me, which is, I think it low-key represents the world, but hey, we shall find out. Anyway, moving on, let's go find out some more floors and find everybody else. Be very quiet, because the floors. Alright, so this is bedroom number 1. This is a massive 5-bedroom. Look at this. Guys, look at this. This is amazing. We got a Buddha. Over there, over here. Like, this is mad. Alright, let's go to bedroom number 2, I think. Let's see. Some more wood and stuff. But yeah, bedroom number 2. Oh my god, so much noise. Alright, still going up. Am I finished? Everyone just ain't filming. How's it going, guys? How's it going?
What you talk, man?
This house. It's a mad. Let's go back downstairs and talk some more. I'm doing him, I guess.
No homo. No homo.
This is the 5th and final
It's
bed.
okay, George.
Slightly larger.
Battery.
He's a beautiful chocolate man.
I'm finished.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, wait.
Coffee. Just fucking spill coffee in my eye.
Spilling water.
Oh shit, I'm spilling water. Fucking
What are you doing? Fam, my man spilled water on the floor.
Yeah, I just wiped it up again. Sorry.
Oh! Why did we just start smashing it? Shall I say? That's another bedroom. Let's go back downstairs. And we shall tell you more about this wonderful house. Oh shit, look. It's Ikhlaas.
What's up, guys? You're in my shop, dude. You're in my shop.
My bad. He's just doing.
It's good.
He's just doing some B-roll.
Come here. What you want to do?
Alright, let's see.
Alright, so basically, I'm gonna focus on that lamp over there, yeah. You see? So I'm gonna. It's literally pan through the hole, and then literally warp it round, fast zoom, outwards through there like that.
Okay.
But that's the 2 guys upstairs that you're gonna see in a second.
Yeah.
Well, if you've already seen them, then yeah.
Yeah. So this is gonna be a crazy shoot today, guys. Like, it's mad.
This is for SEM vlogs, isn't it?
This is a 5-bedroom, probably like 6 to 7 bathroom house.
This much is the guys told me. This was 2 million. That's how much you're selling it. Bro, I thought it was more.
2 mil. This is actually not, and we're in Bow, like Bow, my guy. But anyway, we shall continue with the vlog later on in a bit, guys. I'm just chilling with the owner's dog. Like, look at why you kept? He's now camera shy all of a sudden. Hello, little man. Yes, I see you. I see you. He's like, don't touch me. Don't touch me, bitch. Hold on. Sniff my hand, see? I'm friendly. But yeah. You gonna bite me now? Wow. It's like he's not being very kind. Nope, don't touch my strap. Anyway, we shall leave you peacefully. Deuces, my guy. We shall continue on with the tour. Alright, welcome back, guys. So I'm gonna end the vlog today. Today's been a very lit, funny and exciting day for me. Obviously in this wonderful, like, come on, a wonderful £2 million house in Bow, which is in a prominent area in London. So if you want more content like this, guys, leave a like, leave a sub, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more stuff, and yeah, thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Deuces.